In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accent marks in Canva. If you design in multiple languages or simply want names and words to look correct, adding accent marks is essential. I'll show you a quick copy and paste method and the built-in keyboard options available on Windows, Mac, and mobile, so you can choose whatever's easiest for you in the moment. First, the simplest approach is to grab the exact accented letter you need from the web. Open your browser and search for the specific letter, like accented E or a character. Or go to accentletters.com. You'll see results from helpful sites, including ones dedicated to accent characters. Once you see the character you want, highlight it with your mouse. Copy it using Ctrl-C on Windows, Command-C on Mac, or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Now switch to Canva. Click into your text box and place the cursor exactly where you want the accented letter to appear. Paste with Ctrl-V on Windows, Command-V on Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. The character will drop in right alongside your existing text. If it looks a little different, make sure the text box is using the same font throughout and that your chosen font supports that accented character. If the font doesn't support it, simply change the font to one that does and the accent should display correctly. If you prefer typing accents directly, Windows supports alt codes. Click in your Canva text box, then on your keyboard hold the Alt key and enter the numeric code on the numeric keypad. For example, Alt plus 0233 gives you a. Make sure number lock is on and use the dedicated number pad for best results. Codes vary by character, so keep a reference list handy if you use them often. If your keyboard doesn't have a numeric keypad, the copy and paste method is usually the fastest workaround. On Apple devices, you can use a long press. In your Canva text box, press and hold the base letter like holding the letter E, and a small menu appears with options such as A, and E. Slide to the one you want and release. This works on iOS and iPadOS, and on many Mac keyboards as well. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.